Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Yes, class. Now our next topic is chapter 5, exercise 5.2. Now, expanded form of decimal. Decimals numbers can be expanded in three ways: place value form, fractional form, and decimal form. Let's discuss one by one with help of examples. Yes, for example, expanded 57.84 in all three ways of expanded form. So first we have place value form. As the name suggests, we have to write the places of the given decimal number. So as you can check here, this is the decimal point, and the the left side of the decimal points have whole number, and the right side of decimal point have fractional number. Okay, fractional part you can set. So firstly, I write the place value of 5. So 5 tenths plus place value of 7 is 7 ones, plus place value of 8 is 8 tenths, plus place value of 4 is 4 hundredths. Now the fractional form we have. Now 5 tenths. 5 tenths means 50, plus 7 ones means 7, plus 8 tenths. Now we change 8 tenths into fractional form. Yes, class. So how can I write? I write 8 by 10. So this is 8 tenths. Now 4 hundredths. How can we write in fractional form? Like 4 by 100. So it is 4 hundredths. Now third we have the decimal form, 50 plus 7. Now we change this fractional form into decimal form. So how can we write 8 tenths in decimal? Like 0.8 plus 4 hundredths, 0.04. So in this way you can find expanded form with three ways. Okay class. Now let's check by extra marks. There are some type of decimals. So there are three type of decimal. First is equivalent decimals, like decimals, and unlike decimals. Let's discuss one by one. So firstly is equivalent decimals. Yes class, these shaded portions are equivalent decimals like 3 by 10, 30 by 100, and 300 by 1000. Now, how can we write in other way? Like 3 by 10, we can write as 0 0.3, 0 0.30, and 0 0.300. These are equivalent decimal. Yes class, these are equal amount. How? You can check the whole numbers are same. Okay, and now you check the tenth place is also same. If we add 0 right of the left digit, it does not change the value of decimal number. Okay class, so you can add any zeros. आप कितनी भी zeros इसमें add कर सकते हो, but it does not change the value of decimal number. So 0.3 is equal to 0.30, and this is equal to 0.300, and they all have same amount. Okay class, let's go through with example. Suppose we have fill in the blanks with equivalent decimals. 0.8 is equal to 0.80, and this one is equal to 0.800. Click to know your answer like this. Okay class, because tenths place are equal. Now B we have 2.4, and this is equal to 2.40, and 2.40 is equal to 2.400, means they all have same amount, as you can check. Now first we write here 87.5. It is same as it is 87.50, and this one is same as 87.500. Yes class, is it clear? So with this way we can compare any number. Okay class, आप compare भी कर सकते हो same as it is. Firstly you check your whole number. Okay, if your whole numbers are equal, then you check your tenths place. If your tenths place are same, then you check your hundreds place. So in this way you can compare your numbers, decimal numbers. Now, second we have like decimal. The number have same decimal places are called like decimals. As you can check in example 1 here. Okay, firstly, let's know the definition here. The two decimals are called like decimals if the number of digits after the decimal in both the numbers are equal. Yes, class, if after the decimal your decimal places are equal, then we will call it is a they are like decimals. Like after decimal here is one decimal place. Okay, one decimal place in each now. So these are like decimals. Same as it is in example 2, we have two decimal places, and here we have three decimal places. Means the decimal places have to be equal number. Okay, अगर 2 है तो सेकंड नंबर की भी डेसिमल प्लेसेस आपकी 2 ही होनी चाहिए. So these are like decimal. Now next we have third unlike decimal. In this decimals the decimal places have different like you can check 456.23, 753.489. Here is two decimal places and here is three decimal places, and the decimal places are different. The decimal numbers having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. Let's check how can we convert unlike decimal to like decimal. So first we have this statement. We have number 259.6, 96.69 and 845.123 to like decimals. Okay class, so first of all see the number which has the highest number of decimal places. So we have this number, it has decimal places up to 3. So now we have to keep the equal all these orders. Okay, now they have three decimal places. So firstly we consider the number that is 259.6. To make it like decimal we add here two zeros because here is one decimal place but we want three decimal places. Okay, so we add two zeros here. Let's consider 96.69. It has two decimal places, but we want three decimal places. So we add 10. So in this way, this is called like decimal because the decimal places have same now. Okay, class? The decimal places have same now. Now I will show you one more thing about this chapter, that is comparing decimals. How can we compare the decimals? To compare the decimals, we convert the unlike decimal to like into like decimals and compare their whole number part and decimal part with the following rules. So rule 1, while comparing two decimal numbers, when their whole number digits are different, the decimal number with greater whole number part is greater. Yes class, if you have uh, two decimal number and suppose your both whole numbers are different, okay, तो उसमें से जो सबसे बड़ा whole number होगा that number is the greatest decimal number. Okay, now rule 2, if their whole digits are same and beginning from 10th place the decimal number with bigger digit, the same place is greater. Yes class, same as it is. If your whole places are same, then we will check 10th place. Okay, तो 10th place में जो आपका place बड़ा होगा दोनों में से, that should be greater decimal number. Now let's check with an example. We have like this. First of all, write the following decimals in order from least to the greatest. Yes, we have changed in ascending order. So solution is there, converting all the numbers into like decimals. As you can check, this is unlike decimals because decimal places are not same. So first of all, we will change into like decimal adding zeros. So here there is highest decimal places is 2. Okay, so 0.25 as it is, 0.50. We add 1 0 here to make the like decimal, and 0.05 is as it is. Now let's check, does the decimal in order from the least to the greatest number, means smaller number to greatest number. So which one is the smallest number from all? Firstly, we check our whole number. Now you can check all whole numbers are same, 0. Now we will on our 10th place. Here is 2, 5 and 0. So the smaller 10th place is 0.05. It means 0.05 decimal number is smallest among all. So I write 0.05 first. Now next 0.25, 0.50. So next I will take 0.25. Okay, this is greater from 0.05. And at last I use my greatest decimal number, that is 0.50. In this way you can find any order, ascending order, descending order. Okay, and now you compare your digit also. Okay class, thank you and have a nice day. I hope you all understand very well, and now do practice.